Hello children, hearty welcome to Adarsh Vidyalaya Matriculation Online Classes. Class 6, Subject Hindi, Lesson 8, Topic मैं डॉक्टर बनूंगी. I will become a doctor. As you all know children, each and every person will have an aim in their life, right? So here the main character is Mauni and her grandfather, and this is a conversation between Mauni and grandfather where grandfather is asking Mauni what is her aim, and she is saying that I will become a doctor. Why she want to become a doctor? That is only there in the chapter. We'll move on to the chapter, children. This is a conversation, as I told you. So there are two characters in this conversation. One is the grandpa and the other one is Mauni, that is the granddaughter. So first, grandfather is asking Mauni, Mauni, तुम क्या कर रही हो? Mauni, what you are doing? Mauni, मैं पाठ लिख रही हूँ. For that, Mauni replies that I am writing my lesson. I am writing my lesson. दादा, तुम बड़ी होकर क्या बनोगी? Grandpa is asking, what do you want to become when you grow up? That means what is your aim? Mauni, मैं डॉक्टर बनूंगी. Mauni replies that she want to become a doctor. दादा, डॉक्टर क्यों बनोगी? Grandfather is asking to Mauni, why you want to become a doctor, child? Mauni, उस दिन माँ बीमार हुई थी ना? For that, Mauni replies that, do you remember that day when my mom got ill? दादा, हाँ. Grandpa replies, yes, I remember. Mauni, हम उनको अस्पताल ले गए थे ना? Mauni is asking, we took her to hospital, right? Dada, हाँ. For that also grandfather replies, yes. Mauni, डॉक्टर की दवाई से माँ ठीक हो गई थी ना? When doctor gave her medicines, she was totally all right. दादा, हाँ बिल्कुल ठीक हो गई थी. For that, the grandfather replies, yes, she was totally all right after taking the pills. Mauni, हमने डॉक्टर को धन्यवाद दिया था. डॉक्टर बहुत अच्छे होते हैं दादा, इसलिए मैं भी डॉक्टर बनूंगी और लोगों का भला करूंगी. For that, Mauni replies, after getting all right, when we were returning back, we thanked the doctor, right, Grandpa? Doctors are very good, Grandpa. So, I also want to become a doctor and do good things for people. So, this is why Mauni wanted to become a doctor, because when her mother was ill, she was treated by a doctor and she became all right. So, they all thanked the doctor for making their mother well. Because of that, she has taken a decision that she wants to become a doctor and she will do good for the people. दादा, अच्छी बात है मौनी, हमारे गांव में कोई अस्पताल नहीं है. For that, grandfather replies, very good, it is a very good decision Mauni, there is no hospital in our village. मौनी, हाँ दादा, मैं डॉक्टर बनकर अपने ही गांव में आऊँगी और मैं खुद अपना अस्पताल बनाऊँगी. मेरे अस्पताल में कई डॉक्टर होंगे, सब मिलकर रोगियों की सेवा करेंगे. जब वे ठीक होकर घर लौटेंगे तो मुझे बहुत खुशी होगी दादा. सो फॉर दैट, मौनी रिप्लाइज, यस ग्रैंडपा, मैं डॉक्टर बनकर अपने ही गांव में आऊँगी. When I become a doctor, I won't do my services in some outside country or somewhere else. I will come back to my village itself. और मैं खुद अपना अस्पताल बनाऊंगी एंड आई विल मेक माई ओन हॉस्पिटल हियर. That is, she don't want to work abroad or anything to make money. She will come back to the village itself to treat people. And she said when she become doctor, she will come back to the village and make her own hospital. मेरे अस्पताल में कई डॉक्टर होंगे. There will be many doctors in my hospital. सब मिलकर रोगियों की सेवा करेंगे. We all will serve the needy people. That is, who all are the patients who come to us, we will do the best medicine for them. जब वे ठीक होकर घर लौटेंगे तो मुझे बहुत खुशी होगी दादा. And when they will become well and they will return back to their house, I will be very, very happy because I will be satisfied with what I have done. दादा, हाँ बेटी, रोगियों की तथा दीन दुखियों की सेवा करना सबसे बड़ा धर्म है. इनकी सेवा तो भगवान की सेवा है. For that, grandfather replies, Yes, my daughter, if you will serve the poor people, it is the most precious gift you can get in your life. You will be very happy and you will be the best person if you serve the poor needy people. Helping poor and needy people is equal to serving the God. Her grandpa says, इनकी सेवा तो भगवान की सेवा है. You will go and serve to God, we will take prasadam and everything to God, right? So better than that, if we will help the needy people, that will be very good. We have to help the needy people. It is equal to serving to God. Moni, हाँ दादा. For that Moni replies, Yes, grandpa. दादा, पर बेटी, बड़ी होकर जब तेरा ब्याह हो जाएगा तब भी क्या तू अपने इसी गांव में रहेगी? For that, her grandfather asked her, when you will become young, you will get married, right? So how can you come back to this old village? Once the girls get married, they will move on to their husband's village. So her grandfather is asking, when you will get married, how you will open hospital in this village? मौनी, दादा, ब्याह के बाद भी तो गांव में अस्पताल खोल सकती हूँ ना. For that Moni replies, What grandpa? After marriage also I can open hospital here itself. I'm not like I'll go to some other place. I will come here and open the hospital even after my marriage. दादा, हाँ, तब तुम दोनों मिलकर गांव भर की सेवा करना. For that grandfather replies, Okay ma, then you marry a doctor and both can help the poor and needy people in our village. So this is a very good conversation between a grandfather and a granddaughter. She has decided about her aim and she explains to her grandfather why she wants to become a doctor. And with that, she has an aim to help the poor and needy people in all the way she can. So this is what there in the chapter, children. Now here I have given you the word meanings for this chapter. Just go through it. And for exercises, we'll meet in the next session. Thank you, children.